What if I told you this entire underground bunker started as nothing more than a hole in the ground? In a world where uncertainty is becoming the new normal, one man decides to take control of his future by building his own underground survival bunker from scratch. It begins with raw digging, just soil, effort, and a vision. Slowly, the space takes shape. Walls are reinforced. The structure gets stronger. Every step is carefully planned to withstand the pressure of the earth above. This isn't just about digging. It's about engineering a hidden safe haven. But what's truly impressive is inside. The bunker transforms into a livable space, a sleeping area, storage for supplies, and essential survival systems. Ventilation is installed, insulation is added. Every detail is designed for long-term survival and comfort. This is no longer just a bunker. It's a fully functional underground home. In times when anything can happen, projects like this show the power of preparation, skill, and self-reliance.